As we come to the end of the first semester, I'd like to show you some of the features of Schoology to help you follow the progress of your child better. There are three ways to view progress: by assignment, by the quarter, and year end. So let's take a look at those three. The first thing you're going to notice is this page is a view of your child's progress. The first thing you see over here along the side is summary, grades and attendance, calendar, and messages. We're going to start off with the summary. In this area, you can see where they're at currently overall. What I mean by overall is this is a combination of first quarter, second quarter, and possibly some third quarter grades that have just been entered since we just started the third quarter. So this is an overall look at where they're at in the subject, not one by quarters. If I want to see by quarter and get a little bit more in depth, I'm going to go here to grades and attendance. From this view, I can look at different subjects. And let's say, for instance, I wanted to look at mathematics. If I click here, I can then scroll down and I can see individual assignments and how the child did. If I wanted to look at an individual assignment, I can click on it and it takes me to that assignment. I can even view the assessment and see exactly what my child did. I'm going to go on back to where I was. I'm just using the back button. Also, in this area, I can also see quarter grades. So there was first quarter. If I scroll down, I can also see second quarter. The other thing that is on here are strands, or looking at it from a little different point of view. So we've broken down the information that you're seeing into strands that are from the Common Core. So we see operations in algebraic thinking, numbers and operations in base 10, numbers and operations in fractions, measurement and data. Notice that one has an NA. That means that hasn't been covered this quarter. And then geometry. So you can see a little bit better maybe where they're having some more difficulties in one area or another. I'm going to go back up here to the top. So that's how you can see individual grades or assignments and what's happening with those assignments. Now, if I wanted to see quarter grades, I can go here to download student report, and I can go here, and if I want to see just quarter one, or maybe I want to see quarter one and quarter two to see how they compare, I'm going to select those two quarters, hit next, and then I can select which ones I want to see. I'm just going to say select all. And if the teacher has given any comments for any of the quarters, those will show up as well. And I'm going to hit submit. Now on this page, you can see we were looking at math before. Well, now we see math. We see quarter one grade, quarter two grade, and the overall grade. Again, remember this overall grade is a combination of first quarter, second quarter, and possibly any assignments that have already been assigned and graded for quarter three. Hit my back button, hit cancel. Now this last one, download report card, this is really for the end of the year. When everything's all said and done and you want a report of the overall grade for the year in that subject. I can hit download report, and right now you can't do it by grading periods, so I'm just going to I can select quarter one, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. It's going to show me overall grade regardless. So I can hit next, select all again, and hit submit. And now what I see is an overall grade. But this is really only useful at the end of the school year when you want to see the complete year and how your child did. I hope that seeing this has helped and help you to understand how you can view progress for your child.